Hey, it's Eric Lee with VictorEric Design+Build. Welcome back to another behind the scenes tour, this time of a custom residence in Burnaby that we designed and built. Come on in and I'll show you the rest of the house. Yeah, so this is the inside of the house. Let me take you through it. What we've got here is a beautiful double height circular stair entry. It was a very important piece to make this wow statement for the client. In Burnaby, you get some extra square footage for that, so we use it to the maximum. In the middle here is going to be an art piece that the client has, and then we'll add a divider here, which is a circular divider to finish off the circular shape of the stairs, but this atrium space is beautiful. And right beside it is the dining room. Dining room for the client, it was very important for them to have at least 10 people, and that's why we made this extra big and spacious for the dining parties that they have. An efficient mudroom setup is critical for young families, and this is what this client needs. They've got two brand new young babies, and we've planned for the future. There's a bench seat here with shoe cabinet, lots of coat storage here, so that when they come home from a busy day, you got room for gears, boots, shoes, jackets, all of that stuff. And right beside the mudroom is the laundry room with also additional storage, which is huge. Powder room inside is always a special place, especially for guests and everything, and this one is no different. We've got this beautiful ochre wall tile, lots of texture, dark schemes, creates a really unexpected retreat for any guests taking a bit of a break. So after the foyer, when you come in, we've got the living room right beside the stair entry. And what's interesting about this is the husband who loves games, board games and digital games, this is his VR room. You see up there in the corners is the VR sensors. So if he has his Oculus on, it senses how he's gaming. That TV is designed exactly for that. And right beside it, because this is set up for entertainment, we've got the kitchen with a huge island so that there can be conversations, entertainment happening through here. Fisher-Paykel appliances, gold touch faucets, really big kitchen, ready for a nice big dinner party, prepping with your friends, panel-ready fridges, everything you can do here. Let's show you the second floor now. So I love the second floor here, especially this open to below atrium of this circular stair. Beautiful sculpture in the middle, that's gonna totally finish off the piece. And what I love about this is you can totally see who's coming in, the dinner party happening downstairs. It creates a interconnectivity for the whole house. And what we have here, you might be asking, is why is there a bar out in the hallway? The clients really wanted morning beverages, coffee, tea, and they didn't want to have to go downstairs to get that. So we've equipped them with this beverage bar, complete with a beverage cooler. What's unique about this client is they are two very different people. It's beautiful to see that they're so in love, but their living habits and their styles and their preferences are so different. I already said that they have different aesthetics. The wife loves geometrics, modern lines. The husband loves organic, traditional lines. And even their sleeping habits are different. So we suggested and designed two separate master suites for them with an interconnected ensuite. And let me show you that right now because it also has an integrated workspace for each one of them. So this is the workspace that's integrated into the master suite for the husband. He's a big gamer, and we've got a IT closet in there for him, complete with fan and exhaust. And this is his work surface here. He wants to be right in his bedroom area. We've got a custom-built work surface for him, multiple monitors going on, lots of light coming through. And this divider wall is a great idea that we came up for him. Put a lot of his gadgets here, but it doesn't go full height, so it doesn't cut off the space. The ceiling runs through with the LED lights, yet it acts as a divider for the bed area. So let's go check that out. So this is a divider wall, fully upholstered, custom designed and built by us. Wall sconces with bed switches, convenient, so he doesn't have to even get off the bed to shut off the lights. That is his walk-in closet. Each one has their own. This is for the husband, and we've got an interconnecting ensuite that connects right to the wife's bedroom. So this is the interconnecting master ensuite. What you'll notice is there's actually two toilets, of course, one for each, and a huge shower connecting the two. There's definitely design details here like that LED lit shampoo ledge very horizontal, very expansive. And then we have these shower walls for the faucets, but beside it, we incorporate full height glass. So it appears to be floating right around it to expand that whole room in there. And on this side of the ensuite, we've got, of course, a sink for each, the husband and wife. And in the middle is a great soaker tub with a lot of light coming through, views of the back, very much an oasis for the master suite. This is on the wife's side. She also has a work surface that she wants, so we made the same thing, but the feel is different here. More geometric lines, more modern colors. Dark is one of her favorite things, so a lot of blacks here. Her work surface is going to be here. There's a divider wall for her custom headboard bedroom, which we're still going to upholster here. So this partial height upholstered wall, which we are installing the fabric for, that is a great divider wall separating the workspace from the bedroom space. And then over there is gonna be the walk-in closet for her. Entry over there into the combined ensuite. So this is the other two bedrooms for their kids. And we've got a walk-in closet on that end, bedroom, of course, and then an interconnecting ensuite, because there's nothing like siblings sharing a washroom. So this shared ensuite has a large shower, of course, and then a nice tub here, 2 sinks for the siblings, lots of storage, and of course the toilet. So I hope you like that behind the scenes tour of our custom home that we just finished. What's really important is that you align yourself with a really good design build team to execute your vision fully, to give you a stress-free experience, because there's just a multitude of things that happens during a custom home design process, and having the right team on your side is really important. What do you guys think about this video and this design? Leave it in the comments. Did you like that combination of traditional versus modern versus art deco? Is it a little bit weird maybe? We'd love to hear your feedback in the comments below. I'm Eric with VictorEric Design+Build. Hit the like and subscribe button, because we create amazing spaces.